Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to use Simple Scoop Pool Care Treatment. So you might be wondering, what is this Simple Scoop Pool Treatment that you may be hearing online? So Simple Scoop is an all-in-one pool care treatment designed to replace 6 or more separate pool chemicals, oxidizers or shock, algicide, clarifier, and stain or scale inhibitors, not in a single product. Now, it's compatible with chlorine, bromine, UV, ozone, and salt sanitizer systems. Now, the formula combines non-chlorine oxidizing shock, so that's potassium monopersulfate, chelated copper sulfate as an algicide, a concentrated clarifier, and the stain scale inhibitors. Now, how to exactly use this? Now, when starting out, you just add a double dose of those along with your regular sanitizer, and then wait for 24 hours for the water to balance. Now, for ongoing weekly maintenance, like chill summer mode here, add one scoop per 5,000 gallon of pool water directly into the pool. No pre-mixing required here, and it's listed as safe to swim right away after application. Now, for seasonal pool opening or closing, use a double dose, so 2 scoops per 5,000 gallons. Now, the site here notes a 10-pound container lasts roughly 5 plus weeks for a 20,000 gallon pool at the standard weekly dose, and recommends keeping the filtration system running for fastest results. Now, what about the pricing here? Now, it's sold in 10 pounds, 20 pounds, and 25 pound sizes, listed at $189.99, $319.99, and $384.99 respectively for one-time purchases, which in this case each discounted from a higher list price. Now, a subscribe and save option is also available with delivery scheduled every 2 to 12 weeks, offering a lower per order price, my pool flow with sign up, and the ability to pause, skip, or cancel anytime. Now, according to them, shipping is free on all orders, with delivery is estimated to in about 2 to 5 days, and the site states a 60-day money-back guarantee. But that's about it. So, found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.